Alright, shout Malone here. We're making a new video. As you know, everybody know I'm double joint or whatever. People been asking me constantly if I got handcuffs. They got some handcuffs. They're fake, but they're gonna work. And look, I just can't break them or nothing like that. They don't break. And they don't pull apart and like that. These kind of things, you just react to them. But I'm gonna show you I can get them. It ain't nothing that interesting. I'm just proving to y'all. Because people think I can't do it. It's kind of difficult without no help. Damn. Motherfucker on. There we go. There we go. Alright then. They on good. Oh, don't be tired. There we go. They on good. Can't break them or nothing. Here we go. See, told you I could do it. So all y'all people out there said I can't do it. I told you, man. Yo, son, this is your boy 50 Cent, man. Yo, but I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. Never mind. Wait, now I'm gonna grab my arms. I can't grab my arms. Just like, there we go. I could just do it. There are many times I wanted to. It don't hurt me. It don't hurt me. Alright, see, I'm done. That's all I wanted to show y'all. Peace out.